Hi, I'm Doug Piper, head butcher for Australian Lamb. Today we're going to focus on lamb cutlets and lamb lollipops. This is where we cut the cutlets from, and this side is the riblets. First of all, we need to cut between the riblets and the loin, separating the riblets from the cutlet rack. Today we're going to show you how to make a little lamb lollipop for the kids, something that's different and they're going to love to eat. Just cut between the rib bones. With the heel of your knife, just scrape the bit of membrane off the back of the ribs, then pull all that lovely meat back. We form a little ball at the end of the rib bone. The best way to cook little lamb lollipops is to shallow fry them. To do that, we need to make ourselves up a little breadcrumb mix. We've beaten up our eggs, made a nice little batter mix there. That always helps the crumbs to stick to the meat. Now we're just going to shallow fry these beautiful lamb lollipops. Cook the lamb for about 2 minutes either side until they are golden brown. So here we go. Lovely little lamb lollipops. How easy are they to make? Served up with a great little leafy salad, the kids are going to love them.